Hello everybody, Mark Stepp here. Wanted to show you a new feature that we've got. Actually, it's a change to an existing feature, but we've improved it quite a bit. In the photo manager of your properties or in your contacts area, whenever you click on the add photo, previously it would allow you to load one photo at a time. Now, whenever you click on the add photo, select the photos that you want to import. In this case, I've selected 5 different ones, and then click on open. It will take each photo and start uploading them. It takes a few moments to go through, process each one of them, but it's going through, it's uploading them, and then it puts them into a list on the left-hand side. Now, each one of these you would typically want to assign some kind of type, the type being bedrooms, bathrooms, whatever. If you don't have all these choices, you can go in and you can add more choices, or all you need to do is click on the Analyze option. You can do it individually, or you can click on Analyze All, and it will go through each photo. It sends the photo to AI. It identifies what that individual image is as far as a title and a description. It also identifies the type for you, so it'll put in the type. If you don't have a type, it will go through and recommend one for you. As you go through each one of these, you'll see that it fills in the information, and then once it is complete, which it is there, then you can click on Save All. If you've got additional photos that you need to select from another drive, you can click on Add More, select additional photos. It'll go through that process of adding the additional photos, etc. Once you've got the types, the titles, and the descriptions set up, click on Save All, and it will go through and start adding each one of those photos then to the Photo Manager tab. The advantage here is you no longer have to do them one at a time. It's much quicker. So I just uploaded 5 photos. Each photo was typed. Each photo was giving a title and a description, all with the ability through AI and SAM to be able to analyze those photos and use them. Now, with those photos in, whenever you go to your listing, you go to the listing description area, it can actually utilize each one of these photos to help identify additional descriptions and stuff for the property and for the listing itself. So it's extremely useful. If you have additional questions, certainly reach out. We're here to help, and hope this helps. Have a great day.